Okay, so I was listening to this Larry the Cable Guy clip from YouTube, and it was him saying a joke about a Christmas tune or song, and just Frosty the Snowman, and it goes like this. Johnny the retard has an 8-pound water head. He was 5'3" when he said to me,
I like Daddy Dad.
Yeah, kind of awkward turtle, like this, an awkward turtle. And then you flip it over and you do the other side. He's a retard. Have you noticed?
I haven't seen my daughter Jacqueline since August because
But I love you. Oh, no. Okay. That was awkward. Goodbye.